Hi guys, I am Biswajit. I have 14 years of IT services and product development experience. I started my career as a Java developer and moved through various positions. I have been working in various roles like Scrum Master, Project Manager, and Program Manager. I understand the transition between a team lead to Scrum Master, a project manager's transition to program manager. I would be talking about Agile, Scrum, Safe Agile implementation, test management, project management, and program management in my videos. Hey guys, I was doing something on the Microsoft PowerPoint and saw this really cool video. So let me show this to you. I'm just trying here. Let's say I will copy this here and I'll put it. Let me drag it a little bit here, and this looks good. So copy this thing. Okay, and drag it here. Drag it somewhere nearby. The last part. I want it here. Middle 3. Okay. So I need one more. So I'll put it here. So we are ready with all my boxes. Now we'll fill it. Okay, done. Okay, we are almost done with this. So now we'll copy the data from here to there. Or we can type it also. So we are done on this. Then we'll check here. We'll type other stuffs also, product backlog. So here, product backlog, sprint backlog. Then here I'll put product increment. So something we'll put here, and then planning review retrospective. So we'll go here, sprint. Review and sprint. Okay, here we'll say product so, okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll go here, save. We'll say no fill, and we'll say the text. Same thing we'll do with others. Save fill, no fill, text fill. Same thing we'll do again. So we are done here. So I'll save it, and then I will do copy all the things that I have done here. Control C. Okay, so we are done here. Here something comes up with, say, remove, and then we'll go here and copy all. So hopefully this will work out somewhere. Let me see this. Okay, yeah. So this one. Okay. So is this working? Little bit here, yes. This will be done here. So there you can see some numbers are there. So what I'll do, okay, let it be there. So some, or you can remove also. So how I want the flow to be, depending on that, mm, we will do the animation. So let me, so if I don't have the animation here, we can go to the animation part and click on the custom animation, and we'll come here. Now as you can see, this will be my first slide, so I can go and do the um, uh, fly in and it will come. I can make it come from the diamond. So this will come as like this. Now if I'll go here, this should be already there. So I'll say entry with So now we will get Scrum Master and trans board, and I will put it on top of this. So I have it right now. This one happens across. Okay, now I will get this, and this one I want now. This one I will put entrance and then okay, we'll change something. So once this print is done, then I will change this and this. From bottom. Okay, I don't like this. I don't want it to be uh, flying in. I'll say I want diamond, and then we'll do this artifact. Bomb sounds, breeze sounds, cash register sounds, or So, okay. Anyway, so we'll say